right, beautiful people, welcome back to this channel. Learn Forex with Ease. This is Samande, and in today's video, I'll walk you through a recap, a review on what we talked about last week and how single and every one of them played out perfectly to test our authenticity of our signals and its accuracy. Now let's go into it, guys. Do not forget, last week I told you some market was around here that we said we should possibly come back to this place and still buy, but we were able to enjoy the bullish. We make money that was about 60 to 70 pips, and markets we tested back again and about to do another entering for a good buy. Good. That was for last week. I told you on that. Do not forget as well, I gave you this signal as well. This made us a lot of money. This CSF JPY, I said it's gonna be doing self throughout the whole of the week. I said and the market was here then, and the market, can you see, it sold, came back in the tested and sold extensively. This was a clean one, very clean one. And as well, we'll be expecting it to come here and still what to give to give us a short entering at this point. But right now, expect the market to still retrace and come back to up here. Go and watch the video on my new market outlook I just did about this and what is happening on this, what this structure is going to be doing, what you're expecting. Kindly go and watch the video on that. This is simply just a recap on what I gave you last week. Do not forget as well, I gave you EURJPY where market was around here. Because it was around here, yes, it was around here. I said it will probably come up here and they do a sell. Come and see the Mongo sell. Can you see, guys? See the Mongo sell where we cash it. See the Mongo sell. This is crazy. Let's measure it, guys. Let's measure it. This is crazy. Imagine you cashing this for the whole of the week. You are done. What else do you need, guys? Jesus. This is about 600 pips. Kai, this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. Imagine catching this 100 pips for just a week alone. What do you need? Just an mag one better lot size on it. You don't buy car the next day with that. Am I talking somebody? So that was it. It played out perfectly well. I told you once we give signals like that, we should always expect it to do the whole of that expectation for the whole of the week. I think I also gave you this baby. Let me check it out. I think I gave you NZDJPY if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I gave you NZD. It was around here. I said it might come back again, and then to come back to entering and sell. Can you see the short again? And it shorted. Can you see? A lot more like that, and it's about to do another short again. Same thing it did here. It's trying to do it again here, and I've told out the video on that and what we're looking for the new week and how it's going to be playing out for this new week on this structure that I'm saying. We're expecting a change of structure to come back here. While we test under this page, then we short. Boom. Sorry about that. Am I talking somebody? So that is on that. I think which one again? Which one again? I don't know. Which one again? So everything played out more or less like a 50-50. Everything played out perfectly well, 100%. Just the way we predicted it last week. And it played out perfectly and excellently well. Guys, rate our signals accuracy in the comment section and let us know. Let our signal accuracy, let us know what accuracy do you think we possess. Do we possess 50%? Is it 60%? Is it 70? Is it 80? Is it 90? Is it 99? However, we do not claim 90%. We only claim 80 because of complexity that exists in the market. And sometimes market is not your father's mate. Anything can always happen. So we do not claim 90, but we hold on to our 80 for sure and a guarantee. So in case you are not on our community, I want to urge you, please and please can join our community so you can get access to free daily signals, setups, trade specs, trainings, and a lot more on our Telegram. Some are free, and majority of them are free, while some are not. Okay, and of course, you can subscribe to this channel if you want free content like this and free update like this that we draw out every blessed day. Subscribe to this channel, and let's do more together, guys. I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to follow us always. Thank you, and bye for now, guys. Peace out.